this is available in online. Once and I'm saying, like, if anybody having any issue to accessing the online on-ramp courses, or maybe you have any doubt in between how to entering the commands and data, if any issue, yeah, you can contact to me. I'll give my contact number yesterday. Like once again, I'll share today also. If there's any problem, yeah, you can contact to me. So I can escape this chapter. Sorry. This is the last chapter. So our next one is a basic of array, arithmetic and function. So I think wait. So just I'm going to back whether the courses is completed or not. I want to check. If it is there, maybe next my colleague then he will complete the courses. I think it is completed. Yeah, it is completed. This is the last chapter. Like yeah, from up to here, then this is like how to access the data in arrays, then how to enter the command, how to maybe reshape and shape, and how to access your external data. This is the chapter we are talking. So this is a maybe next is a who are talking maybe mathematical stational, they will talk. So this is maybe basically how they can accessing that array operations, how to matrix and multiplication, calculation, statistics, vectors, and using statistical operations in matrices. So this is maybe next tomorrow maybe courses is there, but up to today this is like how to accessing the data in arrays and how to extract and subtract. This is elements in arrays. So this is a content, it is there. So it is available in online also. So whenever you have the free time, I'm saying to go and complete not only these courses, all of the courses are freely available in that on-ramp courses. So whenever you have the free time, yeah, you can finish. Once you finish, then you will get the certificate from that MathWorks. The certificate should be like so once you finish maybe 100%, will 300% Mathos Trading Services course completed certificate. So it is maybe written and your name on the Mathos account, it will show the name and it has completed maybe 5% or 80% or 100%. If 100%, then it is 100% the self-paced training course is completed, MATLAB and so whenever you finish the training courses, the date it will show here. So this is like my end today topic. Now I'm going to like question and answers. If you have any specific question or any answer, any things is required from my side, yeah, I'm happy to help out you.
The participants, if you have any questions, please put it forward, or even you can type it in the chat box also.
Right, sir. And this is today what I'm talking. Everything it is available on online. Yeah, you can, if you're complete the course. Yes, if you have any doubts after completion of course, please like contact to me. I'll help out you. It is readily available in that online website. If it is any difficult, you can contact with Ashok sir, either me. So we both are help out you. Is it okay, sir? Anything is required? Yeah, one more is sir, can I teach about the DSP application, especially in related to radar DSP? Sir, radar DSP, yes, it is there, sir. But as of now, like here, one moment, quickly I'll show you. The signal processing, the coding by DSP, I'll get back to you, sir. Maybe I think I'll check with Ashok, sir, what are the courses available in your college. If it is there, then I'll help out you. Otherwise, I'll get back to you, sir.
No, we have actually planned the applications of DSP as a part of this online course, Mr. Rohit. So I think when that day comes, I think you will be aware of those things.
Right. And before that, maybe if you have some basic idea, this is the like is a course overview, is there? You have to some spectral analysis workflow and preparing the pre-processing of the signals, spatial analysis, filtering, signal measurements. These are is available. Yeah, if he is interested, yeah, you can go through this one.